Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So today I'm going to be doing the pearl pour, but first, before I do, I'm going to show you how I mix up my paint, my base paint and one color paint. The pearl pour is not a new technique. It has been done for a few years now. It's been like revitalized in the last couple months. So by Sara and a bunch of other artists. So I like doing it. I think it's pretty cool. It's something different, you know, and we're always looking for something different and something new, and you know, just to mix things up. How many Dutch pours can you do? All right, so things that you need American floetrol, you need Liquitex pouring medium, you need GAC 800 by Golden, you need Artist Loft White Flow Acrylic, and you need a satin enamel. Now, this is the Deco Art satin enamels in pure white. These are really hard to get a hold of right now. So the other thing you can use, and I do have it, I think I have it, is the bare satin enamel. And you can get that at Home Depot in a gallon or a half gallon or whatever. So if you can't get your hands on that, you can try that, and supposedly it works just as well. I haven't used the bare yet. I've only used this, but I bought it just in case when I run out of this, it's not that much left. All right, so I'm going to be mixing up the base color for you, and then I'm going to be mixing up one color for you. All right, so I got these measuring containers at any paint store or Home Depot or Lowe's. They make great containers, and you can get the lid and you can just store your paint in these. I have a bunch of these. This just happens to be a new one for this video. So they have the measuring lines on them. So it's easy to figure out how many parts you're going to be putting in. So this recipe calls for, we have 3 parts of floetrol, okay? And then it is 2 parts of Artist Loft paint to 1 part of Golden. Where is it? 1 part, I'm sorry, 1 part of GAC. Half a part of Liquitex pouring medium, and 1/2 part of the satin enamel, and then water, obviously, to thin. So I just have my GAC and my pouring medium in these little squeeze bottles, just to make it easier instead of having the big bottles out. All right, so I'm going to start with this. So 3 parts. So I'm going to do ounces. So I'll just do 3 just to show you. So 3, all right, well, it's 4 ounces, but we'll do 3 ounces of floetrol. That's about 3 ounces, maybe a little bit over, but it's okay. Now, I usually eyeball it. I really don't measure, so I just kind of eyeball my parts, but for the video, I'm going to try to be better. All right, so 2 parts of the paint. So we're going to do 2 ounces. About 2 ounces. Now you can get a scale and measure this if you'd like to do it that way, but I'm not that fancy. All right, and then we have the GAC, and it is 1 ounce of GAC. Okay, and then the Liquitex pouring medium is a 1/2 part. Oh my God, it's stuck. About a 1/2 part of the satin enamel. That's probably all that's in here, honestly. just gonna pour what's in here. That's probably good. All right. All right, and then, well, so it has to be thin. I'm just gonna stir this up. All right, so now we're gonna add some water. So I'm gonna do a little bit at a time. It's roughly 1.5 parts water. I mean, could be 2 parts. Depends on your paint thickness. I'm gonna get a bigger stick. Okay, it's not quite ready yet. You can put too much water, and that will cause you to lose the shape of your cells and the overall design that you were going for. It'll just fall apart. Had that happen. All right, so this still needs more water, but I'm going to show you. You can see it, but it leaves trace, and we don't want it to leave trace. We want it to sink. See how it's leaving trace on the surface? We want it to just flow off the stick and down. No trace on the top for our base, for all the paints in this mixture. It's still not. It does take a lot of water. Almost. So you see, I added a lot of water to this. I think that's good. So you want it to flow off and no trace. No trace. Maybe just a little squirt more. Good. All right, so that's your white, that's your base. All right, so let's put this aside. All right, so let's stir up a paint color. So what you need for the paints is different than for the base. You need your pouring medium, which is 50% floetrol and 50% GAC 800. So we're gonna make a little bit of color and to 1 part of paint, okay? So let's do about that floetrol, and that's about it. GAC to 1 part paint. Oh, a 1/2 part paint. Sorry. And stir it up. Oh, I'm sorry. The color I used, I didn't even tell you. It is Blue Turquoise by Pebeo. All right. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and mix up the rest of my paints for the pour that I'm going to do for you. Not sure what colors I'm going to use, but I will be using that in it. All right, so stay tuned. I'm going to get my stuff together. I'm going to, oh, the only other thing I didn't show you is the cloud over mixture. So the cloud over mixture is something that you can use. You don't have to use. Sara Taylor kind of coined the phrase cloud over, I think, and uses it a lot. I use it once in a while. I don't always use it. But what it is 1 part, wait, what is it? I forget. Hold on, I have my notes here. The cloud over is 1 part floetrol to 1 part satin house paint to a squirt of satin enamel, and then the acrylic paint and water. So something, if you want to put in, you can. I have some already mixed up, so I'll put that in and I'll show you. It's not something that you pour on, it's something you kind of like swipe in. All right, or at least that's how I do it. All right, so all right, here we go.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do, I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love. Give me love, give me all your love, give me all your love.